A big topic to read and a bigger to grasp, the nature of management. But let's make it very, very small using the right kind of mnemonics. So management's nature can either be in the form of an art or a science or directly as a profession. So let's see which points make management an art. You can remember as apt. Apt, yes, just as in suitable. So, where A stands for application, which is personalized in nature. Each individual differs in their demonstrations according to their behavior, their experience, and so is the presentation of management. P representing based on practice and creativity, where existing knowledge is used and practiced by different kinds of managers in a different manner and they showcase their creativity as they apply it. T represents the theoretical knowledge, which means using the certain basic principles associated with the field to perform this art. Management as a science. So the more we use, the more we get. And therefore, use is the word to remember management as science, where U stands for universal validity, which means it is applicable everywhere in every corner and can also be linked to pervasiveness feature of management, which means all levels, all forms, and in each organization. S standing for systematized body of knowledge. Just as a science, it has some logical, scientific principles and they are based on cause and effect relationships. E standing for experimentations, which means that the management principles are also tested through various kinds of experimentations and are developed over a period of time. Now let's see how perks make management a profession. P standing for professional association, which means that there is a code of conduct and entry is done through this association or professional body who also gives certificates to the affiliated individuals. E standing for ethical code of conduct guiding the behavior of all its members. R represents the restricted entry that is only through an examination or a particular degree or qualification. K stands for well-defined body of knowledge where instructions are acquired through a procedure. And the last one being S, that represents the service motive, which means the client's interest and dedicated services.